Today I'll show you how to connect any game controller to your phone. This works for Android and iPhone, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and make sure it's switched on. This is important because your phone needs to be discoverable. If Bluetooth is already on, great, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Put your controller in pairing mode. Every controller has a different way to enter pairing mode. Let me show you the most common ones. For the PS4 DualShock controller, press and hold share and PS button at the same time. Keep holding until the light starts blinking. For the PS5 DualSense controller, press and hold create and PS button. Wait for the light bar to flash quickly. For Xbox One or Xbox Series controllers, press and hold the small sync button on the top of the controller. The Xbox logo will start blinking. For generic Bluetooth controllers, look for a button with the Bluetooth symbol, or hold the mode or home button for a few seconds, until a light starts flashing. Step 3. Connect it on your phone. Go back to your phone's Bluetooth settings. After a moment, you should see a device like wireless controller, Xbox wireless controller, or simply gamepad. Tap it to connect. Once it says connected, you're good to go. Step 4. Test the controller in a game. Open any game that supports controllers. Popular options include Call of Duty Mobile, Fortnite, Asphalt 9, Genshin Impact, and many emulators. Move the sticks or press a few buttons to confirm everything works. Step 5. Quick fixes if it doesn't connect. If something goes wrong, try these simple solutions. Turn Bluetooth off and back on. Restart your controller. Remove old connected devices that might cause interference. And in some games, make sure controller support is enabled in settings. Most of the time, the problem is small and easy to fix. And that's it. Your controller is now connected to your phone. You can enjoy smoother controls, better aim, and a more console-like gaming experience on mobile. If you want more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to check out the next video.